Have you thought about that they are talking about AI is gonna replace all of us in workplaces? Why, at least if we were be able to learn how to build our online appearance and presence using just videos on YouTube, and it is possible. Why half of our friends who are working in the office, they didn't resign and started their business online? Yeah, because it is not possible just with watching YouTube videos to be an AI expert. And if you are like me, sick of the videos who are coming and saying that, you just do 15 minutes a day working with AI tools, and in less than a year, you can build on your own business, and none of these are real, and they are talking really fast that you cannot follow up and you cannot learn anything. Because if it was possible to learn everything using the videos on YouTube, no one would pay any courses. But we still see people that are joining the courses, and we are trying to build the foundation of how to learn AI tools that will going to help you make your own business and build and set up your own AI based YouTube channel. Nowadays, lots of tools out there that you can build your channel based on AI. For example, from script writing to sounds to videos, and all of that are possible. But you need someone who is teaching you, who is guiding you through, auditing your videos, and tells you what are wrong or right. Maybe you are saying that I myself am not really good at cameras. That's okay, because what I am doing is not related to building videos. I'm gonna teach you all about IT skills that you need to have in order to build your AI YouTube. Every day they are saying that because of the AI, we are going to hit mass unemployment. And I have a book about mass unemployment coming after the wave of AI, which if you want a copy of that, please comment below AI and mass unemployment, and you will get a free copy of it on demand.